Fixing the Mscordacwks.dll DLL pop-up requires an expert look at your shared files. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll automate that repair for you. To start our guide for Mscordacwks, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Mscordacwks, the data access component for Managed Debugging. It provides localized, unmanaged localized shims that allow localized debuggers to inspect the localized internal state of a localized .NET application's localized Common Language Runtime, CLR. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The recommended solution is to reinstall .NET Data Access Component, debugging. Visit Microsoft's site, download the Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, and install them to repair the missing file. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Mscordacwks file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Mscordacwks DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing Mscordacwks. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Mscordacwks today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.